Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from No Nails. In this video, it's all about cat's eyes, and we're going to use the cat's eye product to create a stripy kind of design that kind of messes with your mind. So for this design, I'm going to use a background colour of black because we want super contrast. So when you're using the cat's eye products, if you want really intense contrast, then a black background is always best. I am going to do 2 thin coats, and you could see that that was very thin because you could see the brush dragging quite a lot. So I've got a bit of backing paper. So we're going to use Stratosphere. So this is from the Cat's Eye range. So it's a gorgeous blue. Double D, double die, double D, double die. Gonna pop a little bit of that onto my backing paper. And my first one, I can start it off with the brush, but then I will need a detail brush really just to apply the product. But my first one, I can start off with just using the brush. So you want to get a neat line. And you want to drag it nice and thin. Then we're going to use the cat's eye tool and take the pigment. So you're going to drag it like this and take it to this edge. So drag to this edge. Then you're going to take a brush and you're going to paint another wide line. Keeping everything nice and thin. Then when you meet the other line that you've created, just still go quite thin. Get a nice even layer. And I find it shows up a better result if you add it slightly thicker towards the side that you want the particles to be, if that makes sense. And we're going to pull them to the opposite side now. So I'm going to continue with this pattern, these wide lines, all the way up the nail. I'll alternate where I'm going to pull those particles to each time. So this time I'm going to pull them to here. So once you've completed that, you will need to top coat it. I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat, and this is a gel top coat and it has no sticky layer. So once this is cured, you're ready to go. I do find when you put the top coat on, it really does show up the design a lot better. Pop that in the lamp. And you can use any of them, any of the cat's eyes products to do that. Any of the colours. Have a little play. See what you can create. Wow, I think I'd wear that myself. I do like blue. There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to know where you can buy the Urban Graffiti gel polish, it will be linked below. See you in the next video. Bye bye. So what you're doing is pulling them to the opposite sides each time. You do this little dance like that as well. That always helps.